Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. This is a quick update. A lot of important, a lot of big things happening on our channel and in our lives in general. I want to keep you guys updated. We promise we'll keep this under 10 minutes.
So the first thing, as you see, we're standing in front of Stella. We are currently in Lynchburg, Virginia, dropping off Jason for his sophomore year of college at Liberty University. Still a little sad, definitely not as bad as year one, but there's a little sadness here, but it's good. He's got a ton of friends. They're all together again in the dorm, so he's really excited about it.
A little bit different this year. He actually followed us down driving, so this will be the last time he's doing everything else himself, driving back home, driving back, so huge relief for us, a lot less work for us. Because we're going to be traveling a lot more, which is going to take us into our next thing. I am less than 30 days from retirement. August 31st is officially my last day of work. September 1st is official retirement date. With that being said, we have a lot of travels coming up. Tennessee, Georgia, Florida. Alabama, Florida, Texas, Arkansas, we just added to the list.
Louisiana, did you say
Louisiana,
Yes.
Mississippi. We are filling a lot of places in our map. So you want to make sure you follow us, subscribe, notification bells on, because we have a lot of adventures, a lot of new campgrounds we're trying, a lot of new harvest hosts we're trying. We're going to be doing the Endless RVing Resort Report. That's going to be something new. So we have a lot of good information that's coming and a lot of good content.
Next, we are updating our website. So the website up to this point, again, both working full time, you don't have as much time to kind of do
definitely something we neglected.
Yes. So now that we're going to be full-time YouTubers, the website is going to get some TLC, and we are currently in the process of updating our website. So stay tuned for that. It's going to have a nice new look.
Yeah, completely restructured. It cost us a couple of bucks to have it done, but we're having it done right. New pictures, new tabs, everything. It's going to look somewhat the same, but a lot different. It's going to function a lot better. I know some people have commented our store link wasn't there. We get it. It's just something that was kind of the back burner, but it's important.
Yep.
And we're investing in it, and we're happy to bring it to you. The next thing, we did the Bling RV in the USA hats. That was MJ's idea. Great idea. Sold out. It was a limited edition. But we did get a lot of people were hurt. A lot of men were hurt about this because they didn't want a bling hat. So in response, we have a men design one, or it could be for women, but it's targeted toward the guys out there. It is the Let's Go Camping. I don't know if you can see that. Blackout edition, and in the back it has the ERV. I'm wearing it right now. So if you like that blackout edition.
It's raised. It's a silicone raised. It's really
like 3D.
Cool. Really
these
cool.
are flex fit, so they come small, medium, and then large, extra large. I'm wearing large, extra large. But what's important about these is that it's going to be a limited run. So we're going to do a 30-day run. There's 145 available. Why 145? Because that's what our supplier ordered. They had to order these things. 145, once that's done, it's done. Now, don't miss out like people did with the Bling one. We got emails a couple weeks later. Oh, I want some more. They were sold out. So unfortunately,
it's a limited edition, and we mean limited edition. So jump on this.
Yeah, so we're gonna,
if you want it.
Yeah, we'll put the link down below. And again, it's gonna be 30 days or 145, whichever comes out first. I think we'll sell these out because these are awesome hats and they fit great.
Yeah, they look really good. And the final thing, this is really exciting. We have mentioned this a couple times in the past. We have our Endless RVing meetup set for 2026. It will be the Rollin' and Rockin' Nashville ERV meetup, and it is set now, July 30th through August 2nd, and we will be having it at Four Corners RV Resort it's Antioch, Tennessee, but it's Nashville, and we have a lot of stuff planned. Now, we don't have it out there yet because we're working with a planner we're still kind of getting all the pieces in place, so it's not yet open to register. But that will be within probably the next month or so. And as Izzy has mentioned in past videos, it will open to our insiders first. They get first dibs. So if you want first dibs at the meetup, you want to become an insider. Again, no pressure to join insiders, but they will have first dibs. We will only be having 30 coaches. We have 30 sites.
60 max, 60 people max. The reason why we did that, we haven't done a meetup in 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
We want to keep it small because that last meetup, we're a much smaller channel. It was small. We have most of the people we've been friends with since then.
Yeah.
All our meetups are going to be small. Like MJ said, we do have an event planner this time. We're doing it professional at a really nice resort. We have going to have an itinerary that's going to be printed out. We have sponsors that have already offered great sponsorships for gifts and raffles and all that, games. We have a whole thing set up, and of course catered meals, and we're going to have the event planner that's going to be there taking care of everything. So it's going to be very organized. I'm sure something will still go wrong because they always do. But we're going to make our best opportunity. And again, we're limiting it to 60.
So if you want to be a part of the Rollin' and Rockin' Nashville ERV Meetup 2026, make sure you're following us on all our platforms, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. So we're going to be throwing information out. Again, we're almost there at retirement, and we're going to be having a lot of different things coming at you. So you want to make sure that you stay up to date with what's going on in endless RVing world.
Being that it's limited to 60, we do anticipate this is going to sell out quickly. So again, just subscribe, and we're live a lot on other social media, so that's the best way to find us.
I'm so excited for this meetup. Again, we had such a good time the last time. We can't wait to share this with you guys this next time around. It's going to be so much fun. Moving on real quick, one last note. If you want to get our monthly newsletter, it is free. A lot of you, we have, quite a few thousand people that do get this newsletter. We will put the link down below. We give out ideas of recipes that we make, where we are, what's going on in our world.
Reviews of places.
Yep. So if you would like to sign up for that, again, it's totally free. We'll put the link in the description below.
We also have our Facebook page, Endless RVing. It's a much bigger, I don't even know how many people we have in there. Is it 40,000 yet?
Well, it's like 36,000 or so. Yeah, that's just followers. But we have a more intimate group that's called Endless RVing RVers Coming Together. So that's where people come together. We share ideas, we share travels. It's just really fun. It's more just kind of a hangout for anybody who wants to join.
Those are all free too, so you can go over to Facebook and join. So in the comments below, let us know a couple things. What do you think? I'm hanging on the tripod here. What do you think about these hats? The meetup, we're going to be Tennessee residents. So you got to come to Tennessee. Last time we were New Jersey residents, you got to come to New Jersey. This time you got to come to Tennessee.
We will branch out after that one.
But we're excited because this is going to be a good one.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? Will you be joining us? Also, what are your travels coming up for the season? Even though we're kind of getting toward the end of the season, we want your information and we want to know where your travels are. Put in the comments below if you like videos like this to the left of us. We'll put our RV vlogs playlist. We'll also put our RV DIYs playlist. We thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you on the road.